Hey crafty friends, this is Rena and I'm on a new design team. So I'm going to start sharing with you the great goodies you can get at ASC Supplies on Etsy. Crystal's amazing. She ships really fast and she's got the best customer service and fantastic prices. She sells a lot of Heartfelt stuff, so I wanted to start with this 3D flip fold album. So I really wasn't planning to open it, but you might want to see. So let's go inside. It's super sturdy. So 3D flip fold album creates stunning interactive album pages. So it's one, obviously, and it's a 7x9. Pages are 6.5 by 8.5, and it's 5 pages. So that's how it is, and you add the flips and folds, and you can purchase the flips and folds from them, or you can make and design your own. I like seeing how they put this together. And this is like a kind of a burlap, a white burlap. So that is the first, I'll put that on later. First thing. She also sent me this. I had sent her a wish list, and this was on my wish list. And I'm going to do a lot of Distress Oxide cards. I need some extras to have handy, and I really wanted this. She also sent me the little fairy, so cute. So she carries these Lavinia stamps, and they have tons and tons of fairies and great fairy related stamps, and then they have some, you know, some other stamps as well, like this one. So check out the Lavinia stamps. All right. And she sent me this 5x7 layered ovals white card, and it's to create these dimensional okay, so you get this piece, this piece, this piece, and that piece, and I will do a tutorial on this when I get ready to work on this one. And then she also sent me this one. So this one's a 5x7 and this one's a 6x6. So we're going to have a lot of fun doing some tutorials on those. And then she also sent me this top, what is this? It's from Hunky Dory. And it's called A Merry Magic Collection, Sparkle and Shine. And you get what it takes to make that card. Really gorgeous, rich looking papers. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I'll probably also do tutorial or, you know, a create with me. Look how shiny that is. So you get these different punch outs. So these, all of this punches out. And then you get that and that. So you can make a really special, gorgeous card for someone. And I don't necessarily have to create it the way they have it in the picture. I can do whatever I want with it. Let's take out this one, because this one is really cool, and I want you to see the image on it. And this is also by Hunky Dory. Look at that. So pretty. When you feel like you're about to fall, it might actually be that you are about to fly. That's a wonderful sentiment. And then there's that one. And then you get this page and that page. All right, those are super cool. You guys know it really pains me not to put that back in the packaging, but I'm not done yet, but I did want to show you this. So if you need to pause the video, I will also put the links in the description box down below. But she has a YouTube channel. Just check out everything. I will put all the links in the description box down below. All right. Real quick, she also has this free shipping over $75, and you enter free ship 75. All right. The next thing she sent me as part of my Design Tea package, I'm going to show you what I purchased last. She sent me the Honeybee Maidens. Oh my God. Look at those little girls. So stinking cute. So you get, I guess, 3 bees, and you get like little crowns. It says pairs with honeybee dye made. So that's what they look like, and I will, obviously I will Copic color these. I know Heartfelt has a video on how to use like chalk or ink daubers or whatever, but no, not me. Copics. And she sent me the dyes to go with them. Okay, so you have, okay, I see. So, wow, really generous, Crystal, thank you. And then we have the collection, Sweet as Honey. Oh, let's look at it. I've seen it in videos, but seeing it in person is definitely different. All right. So this is our first page. Oh my gosh. Look at the little borders. Oh, so cute. And then the back side has these flowers with the bees. You know what? Yeah, let's tear it out. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm actually going to take this with me camping, and I'm going to do a lot of fussy cutting. Okay, so this is our next page. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of fussy cutting, and then I'm going to put the album together when I get home. I might actually just add all my flips to this and maybe glue stuff in while I'm there. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to be working on this. Look at this page. Oh my gosh, so cute. Honey is where, home is where my honey is. My favorite place to be. Belated birthday wishes. And then just because. Look at this page. Oh, I'm going to have the most fun. The most fun. Honey, it's going to be like, oh my God, you're doing too much scrapbooking. Okay, this is, I'll be honest with you guys, too many primary colors going on here. Not for me, that page. But, ooh la la, the other page. I love this one. The black and the yellow, I love it. Look at this one. So cute. This would be great for a layout. And you got all this goodness, the little tags they always add in their collections. Oh, wow. Look at this page, guys. Look at that. I love it. I so love it. And this is the back. And then we've got another page with a scene. And then we've got these, which you can fussy cut out. Oh my gosh. I love it. And then you've got these clearly for fussy cutting. If you don't like fussy cutting, I don't know. I guess you could scan and cut these. I don't know about that machine that does that. I enjoy fussy cutting. This is the other side. Then we have these designs with blue on the back. And we got a green design. And then this. And then we've got these polka dots. And then we've got all of these with the smaller scenes. And then I think this is, yeah, last we have all your smaller cut aparts and your sentiment tickets. So cute. I can see some great cards with this as well. And then this is the other side. So there you go. That is the newest collection from Heartfelt Creations, Sweet as Honey. And I am super excited to work with that one. But there is another, and this is the one I bought for myself because I couldn't wait till my next month design team package. And she sent me this cool bag. I don't know if this bag is part of the deal or not, but if you're interested, you can ask her. All right. So I ordered the 8x8 of the Graphic 45. Oh, what is this called? Imagine collection. And when I first saw it, I was like, ugh, not me, not this girl. But I saw some project shares with it, and then I was like, oh, wait a minute, back up. I think I do like it. So let's have a look. So we start with here where they have some templates that you can use. And we have butterflies, balloons. So you get 3 of each. And then we have polka dots. We have cut aparts. Ooh, gorgeous. Look at this page. I really like that page. And then this is on the other side. Super cool. And then we've got roses and teapots. I think that's what I saw. I was like, teapots? Wait a minute. I have to have me some teapots. And then we've got clocks. And we've got this page. And so the adventure begins. And then we've got this design. Let's see what we got on the other side. Ooh, clocks and roses and butterflies. Yeah. And we got some stripes. And then we've got that page. So, yeah. So I got the 8x8. I got the chipboard punch outs. And the sticker sheet. So, gonna have fun with that one too. And then I ordered 2 of this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I saw somebody who did a project share out of this, and I was just like, that is the most vintagey, beautiful paper ever, ever, ever. Okay, let's look at it. Let's take it out, because I know you want to see it. And yes, she carries lots of Stamperia. 10 double-faced sheets. So look at that one. Oh. And guys, you can even cut this stuff out and use the cover. I mean, look at those flowers. And the dress form. So that was our first page. And then our second page here. The back of it. And then you've got these cut aparts. Ooh. Oh, that is cool. So when you cut it out, there is this design on the back. It's not like you have to choose. Oh, that is brilliance. That is brilliance. Oh, I'm so excited. And look at that. Oh, gorgeous. I see a vintage tea theme. Look at the doily page. That is so cool. And then on the other side, again, you get the journaling area. Oh. Look at the, what is this? A gate. And then you've got more cut aparts. Beautiful, beautiful cut aparts. And more cut aparts. All those corsets. Oh. And look how this one is made to look like it's like wood, but it's lace wood. I love it. That is so cool. Okay, so just so you know, I got 2 of these because, you know, when I make a mini album, you know, they're really intense and lots of pages, so I knew I would need 2 packs. So I got 20, you know, I have 20 sheets of this collection. All right, guys. I hope you're excited. I hope you will go check Crystal's store out. I will link everything in the description box down below, and let's have some fun at ASC Supplies. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.